just started snowing about 15 minutes ago. That is awesome. Starting to pick up. Slowly getting white. Still coming down good though. Don't think the peach tree's too big of a fan of this. Yep, don't think he likes it. Probably gonna kill most of them. Road's starting to get covered. Got some cornflakes mixing in with this now. It's a good backdrop to see how heavy it's coming down. It's really coming down, man. These are big flakes too. Ranging from about penny size to a couple $half in there. Sure is piling up. Barbecue pit, everything is just covered out here. We're up to 3 inches now. And you go just a little bit north of here into Fenton area, and they only have about 1 inch. So this is basically like where the line is, here in south probably. And look at that railing. That's a lot. All the snow on the line here. How deep this stuff is, man. All the snow on all the branches.